Stop blaming yourself for other people's mistakes. What's going on, people? My name is Andrew SB and welcome to my channel. If you ain't already subscribed, you need to do that ASAP. Remember, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button. People do that all the time. People want to take responsibility. When someone else messes up, you want to say, oh, it's my fault. Maybe I could have done this. Maybe I could have done this better. Or maybe I didn't do this. Maybe I wasn't there for them. Whatever it is, a lot of times you're guilty. For whatever reason you're guilty, okay, that's fine. But the truth of the matter is, you didn't make no one do what they did. They decided to do that. They did what they did. And that's what it is. So obviously support them in the best way you can. But people need to stop blaming themselves for other people's mistakes. It's their choice. They made their choice. It's their life. So you need to let them deal with the consequences of the choices they made. You need to let them take responsibility, because when you take responsibility for someone else, they don't have to take responsibility. A lot of times people want to point fingers. So someone will mess up for whatever reason. It could be business, it could be personal, it could be family, it could be whatever. Someone will mess up and then the first reaction is, oh, do you know what, I'm sorry I let you down because maybe I should have done this better, or maybe I didn't do this, or maybe because you're trying to take responsibility for their actions. You're trying to make sense of it, and it doesn't make sense. So you're saying, you know, maybe I could have done X, Y, Z. Maybe I should have done this, or maybe I should have done that. One really, truth of the matter is, they did it. But because you're taking responsibility, people want to point fingers. So the easiest thing for them to do is, yeah, man, you know what, I would have never done this if you did this. Do you know what I mean? So to me, I don't think that's fair. I don't think you're doing them any favors. I don't think you're doing yourself any favors, because you're gonna sit there, especially when it comes to like relationships. People go through so much emotions with that. Your boyfriend cheated on you, and instead of accepting that he cheated, he's a bum boy. He's done what he's done. He's just stupid for doing what he did. He let you down. Understand all that and accept it, cool. But instead of you accepting all that, you're saying, you know what, maybe I could have been a better girlfriend. Maybe I drove him to cheat. Maybe it's all my fault. No, it's not. He just decided to do it, and he did it for whatever reasons. That's his decision. That's his choice. Those are his reasons. He knows why he did it. But you definitely did not say to someone, go and cheat me. You definitely did not make him do what he did. So why take the responsibility for it? Do you know what I mean? Because yeah, obviously if things weren't good in your relationship, it's easy for you to say, yeah, you know, maybe I could have done this, or maybe I could have done that. Yeah, but at the end of the day, you did it. And same way, before he cheated, he could have told you that, you know what, maybe let's change this or whatnot. So it's his responsibility, not yours. Alright, obviously it's vice versa with girls as well. Do you know what I mean? It could be the same thing with business. Business is the same way. You know, so like you go through, something happens and I don't know, you don't get the deal you want to get. You don't sign a contract you wanted to sign. You lose a very important client, and you're going through all these emotions. Like, you know what, maybe I should have given them that one extra percentage that they wanted. Maybe I should have done this. Maybe I should have done that. No, maybe they never wanted to do a deal in the first place. There's that. Sometimes people come in and the client, you have a client and they know they're leaving. They know this. They're just not sure how to pin it down to you. So you have the meetings and you do everything and you go hard and they promise you everything, and then they just don't do it. So you now go through the emotions of, you know what, oh, I should have done this. Maybe it's my fault. Maybe the presentation wasn't good enough, or maybe I didn't convince them. I didn't give them that extra percentage on it. Do you know what I mean? Maybe I over negotiated. No. If it didn't happen, it didn't happen. It is what it is. They decided not to do it. Point blank, period. It's not your fault. If you do the best you can do in whatever situation, what people do and what decisions people make is their business. It's their business, it's their responsibility, it's their choices. Everyone has a reason as to why they do what they do. Until next time, keep winning. And remember, hit the subscribe button and the notification button. Hit us up on the socials as well, Real Andrew SB. I repeat, Real Andrew SB on the socials. Let us know your comments, let us know your thoughts, and come along for the ride.